Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies at home easy recipe, full guide. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and line an 8x8-inch pan with parchment paper immediately. Combine melted butter and sugar in a bowl, then whisk in eggs and vanilla until glossy. Fold in dry ingredients gently to avoid overmixing, then pour batter into the pan and smooth the top before baking. In this video, I will show how to make brownies at home easy recipe, full guide. Start by measuring 1 cup flour, 3/4 cup cocoa, and 1 cup sugar so everything is ready. Melt 1/2 cup butter and let it cool slightly before mixing with 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Stir dry ingredients into the wet mix until combined but not overworked, then taste the batter and adjust sweetness if needed. In this video, I will show how to make brownies at home easy recipe, full guide. Quick recommendation: if you're baking for a bit, keep your Owala water bottle nearby to stay hydrated and avoid greasy hands on your phone. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the product link and other deals I mentioned. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make brownies at home easy recipe, full guide. Place the pan in the middle rack and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, checking at 20 minutes for your preferred fudginess. A toothpick should come out with moist crumbs. Avoid overbaking for that gooey center. Let the brownies cool completely in the pan so they set properly, then lift parchment to slice neat squares for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.